Here we begin by looking first at the shot list tab before we proceed to editing and completing the trailer. So here we are in the shot list, and you can see it's got a list of all the clips that we've put in there. The shot list is a quick way to check that all the images and clips you are using in your trailer are appropriate and in sequence and not duplicated. Now here's a really good thing. You can actually use your shot list to input your clips and videos instead of in the storyboard. If you've prepared all your image work ahead of time, or you're remaking another trailer, just do the rearranging in the shot list. You'll notice that I've used only one video clip in this set, I think. The subject matter is difficult to locate in video form. You may have better luck. So let's check continuity here in the shot list, and I'll show you how to add or modify various shots. In the trailer, The Dragons of Sarasara, that we're using, we start with the two protagonists. There's Antonin, 2 clips each. There's Antonin, you can see in the preview, check, okay. Then there's Katharina, 2 clips each, check, okay. The Dark Lord, 2 clips. Not so good. Hardly look like the Dark Lord to me, so I've made a mistake there. Let's find another 2 images or clips to use. From the ones I have already in the My Media area, I'll select 2 that fit. These are images, not clips, so they will replace the 2 I have placed there and seem much more suitable. Watch as I do this. Select the first clip. There we go, there's an image of the Dark Lord that I found, and it puts it in there. Now we go to the second one. These are 2 clips for the Dark Lord, highlight it, and given the nature of the story, this one is actually appropriate. There we go, those 2 clips replaced. Now be careful with continuity. There is no indication where these various images go in the trailer. They are shown or sorted on type, if you like. If we go right to the end, we'll see there are 3 wide clips. There's 3 wide clips there. To see where they go, you have to look in the storyboard. Those 3 images are scattered throughout the trailer. There's a wide shot there. There's another one. And there's the third one. So, now it's done. I'm trusting that you'll take much more time over this than I've done here with this particular trailer. But my main aim is to show you what to do, not delight in the finished product that I have. The finished product here is definitely a first draft. Take one if you like. Now, let's see what the finished trailer looks like. Right, let's check the continuity first. I'll use the one I have here rather than take up your time building a whole new trailer. Back to storyboard and position your cursor at the very start. From here it's straightforward. In the preview window, press the play button. Go back to the very start. Right there. Press the play button. Now I won't talk during this because the sound is in there, remember.